Okay, hey, so here's a short video that I'm going to show you using my laptop here, which I have just completed on how to, which I have just changed my YouTube channel, the banner, the banner, which is kind of like, if you imagine a physical shop, right? The banner is like the signboard, okay, the signboard of your business, right? And at the same time, I'm going to through this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you change your YouTube profile picture, which I just did. Right, it has been a while since I update my YouTube channel. So let me flip the camera over now. And before I do that, do take note that I highly recommend that for such a graphic kind of design, you don't need to spend extra money by going to a professional graphic designer, or even find someone from some virtual assistant or freelancer that is expert in doing this. You can actually through practices by using the Canva app, right? You can actually do that already. So I'm using Canva and the pro version of the Canva. Okay, so here we go. So let me show you the result, alright, for my YouTube channel, the banner that I've just updated from the previous version to this latest one, and also the profile picture. And I did that also out of to refresh my skills in this form of DIY graphic design by using the Canva app. Let me show you. Let's go to it right now. I've already opened up. So here, so if you are not familiar, right, this is how the Canva app will look like. So let's begin with the YouTube channel banner that you want to change, right? Straight away, don't waste any time trying to figure out on your own, especially if you are new. Straight away, type the keyword YouTube channel banner and search for it, right? They will give you suggestion of all these templates. Now, the difference between the paid version and the unpaid version, which is the free version of Canva, right? And anyway, for the paid version of Canva, right, it only costs you $17.98 Singapore dollar, right? So, in my opinion, right, if you are running a part-time or business, you know or a full-time one, right, I think investment like 18 Sing dollars, right, should be peanuts for most people. All right, but nonetheless, you can always opt for the free version. Now, can you see the logo here? This is actually the pro version. So it has, can you see, pro version, right? Pro version. So I've selected, I kind of like this one. After I browse through so many of these templates, right, I kind of like this one. I have a good feeling about it, so I've selected this one. And so when I blow this one up, right, it actually looks like this. So I'll just click on the customize button, and this will bring me to the customization window, whereby I change out some of the information on the template to be related to who I am and what my YouTube channel is trying to serve. So this is how it looks like. So this is the template. So but nonetheless, the end result would be here. Let me show you. Okay, which is this one. Let me show you my work. Okay, loading. Yep. So I think it should be these few projects. So yep, it's kind of slow, but nonetheless, this is my the one I have completed, right? Let me blow it up for you to see, right? Yeah, that's the result. So overall, if when we use when it is being presented, right, on a different devices, maybe it's a TV version, it will show you the entire thing, right? And if it's just your YouTube channel, right, only this part will be shown, all right, or only this part will be shown, okay? And maybe your mobile device or your tablet, right, only this part will also be shown. All right, so let's go back to my YouTube channel. So basically this is how it looks like. Can you see, right? And the profile picture over here, let me go back to the Canva, right? Canva, and let me show you my profile picture, the template that I have chosen. Well, it's the same way that I've demonstrated for the banner, right? You just need to type in the keyword over, in the search bar here. For example, you type in YouTube profile picture template, right? And it will give you lots of template to choose from. For example, for this for now, I feel good about this template, so I selected this one, and there you are. So this is how it looks like. So long story short, this is the end result, and so this is my latest version. Yeah, okay. And also, this is part of my homework from my coach, right? From my digital network marketing coach, right? From United Kingdom. His name is Richard Mataru. Very established coach for network marketers that wants to pivot, that want to pivot from offline outdated prospecting ways to the modern digital network marketing ways, right? So he is the guy to go to, right? So I highly recommend him. So if you need more information, or you can come to me if you feel that I am credible, right? Do follow, subscribe to my channel, because this is why I started this channel, is to, it's my mission to revolutionize, right, the network marketing prospecting ways, right, in the old school ways, outdated, inefficient ways, and also inauthentic ways, to pivot, right, successfully to be a modern network marketer, applying attraction marketing formula with digital strategies, tactics, set up digital systems to help you automate your network marketing business. So basically, this is what my channel is trying to serve such communities, right? So there you are. So I hope my tutorial helps you, and I highly recommend and in addition, right, I highly recommend that you do not leave out your building up your YouTube channel, especially if you want to to run a modern network marketing business, right? Because YouTube channel is actually a search engine. It's not exactly a social media platform like TikTok or Facebook or Instagram, right? So YouTube channel is actually a search engine. That means this aspiring network marketing people, right, will be searching for such educational or such business opportunities over at the YouTube channel, right, to learn more about things like that, right? So that means it's very specific in what they are looking for, because they are trying to learn something from you. So do make an effort to do up your YouTube channel. So if you do not know how to do all that, right, by all means, if you watch this video, drop me a comment, right, and we can have a deeper conversation about this. So I will see you in my next tutorial video.